In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GoCharting HEATMAP. Now, the GoCharting HEATMAP is primarily used for options open interest analysis, okay? Which allows you to visualize options data across multiple strikes and expiration dates to identify key support and resistance levels. So let me actually show you how to get it and how to activate it. So you want to go to the top first of your chart and you want to click on the study button. And then in here, in the search box, you want to type in open interest, okay? And when you find it, you want to click on the only thing that pops up, which is of course called open interest. When you do that, as you can see, something is going to pop up down here at the bottom called open interest. It's going to be just a single blue line. What you want to do here is right click, and then you want to click on edit settings up top. When you do that, you can see options, and then in here it says show heat map. Now you want to enable this by clicking on it, and of course from here you can select your metric as well. I'm going to leave it as open interest over here, but of course you can do something else as well, and then click on apply. Okay, now whenever you apply the changes, it's going to apply down here on this indicator below your chart. And then you also want to set the appearance. Now by default, as you can see, it's going to be like one specific color over here. So if it's weak, it's going to be this one, normal is this one, etc. If you want to change this, you can just go and click on every single one, and you can just change colors from here. So for weak, you can do a different color. For normal, you can do a different color as well, like this one, for example. And then for strong, you can also add a different color. And then for intense, you have another one as well. Okay, that way you maybe be able to of course see it a bit easily down here on this heat map. Okay, so that's the best way to actually set it up and to use it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.